Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is speaking about Erica and also Ashanti. Now, basically, they had came out on channels to speak about her son. And she was addressing that situation because she's saying it's time enough for them to stop. And she's saying that basically, people are they're getting information on the internet basically about her son, but they are misconstruing the information and making different stories about the information that they received on the internet, and basically saying that her son doesn't speak with her, and Marcy always talk, that she and her son, they have a good relationship, and they always been talking. So she's asking Erica, why is it that your daughters hate you so much? Why is it that over, maybe a couple of years, your kids haven't seen you or they haven't spoken to you? Why is it that that is happening, but you're still yet on me and my son? So that's the information that Marcia is talking about and more. So you gotta go catch the video, and remember guys to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you prosperity and all that your heart desires this year. And for all my other lovelies, my followers, my supporters, my friends, yes, you, have yourselves a beautiful day. And remember, Marcia's gala is coming up on March 8th, so go get your tickets and support her. And guys, remember, like every day we get up, it's a brand new day to start something different. We can always look at the things in the past that may bother us, but at the end of the day, that's the past. We have to move forward and step out in faith and give gratitude for everything that we go through in life. Sometimes it's a whole lot of things that we may have experienced. We may have experienced downfalls. We may have gone through a rough patch in our lives. But at the end of the day, there's a brighter tomorrow. So guys, just hold your heads up and keep moving forward, because there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Our downfall is not forever. It's for us to take that as a lesson and to move forward and build on that lesson and make it into that shiny piece of gold, or maybe a diamond piece that we want. Have yourself a wonderful day.
Was not going to say nothing until when CJ was up in New York City. And me go look for him. But I him come out and there over how much 4 or 5 hours span CJ from today. That's why me come out with it. Because I'm over there tell all kind of story. And then this a whole little cunt one here come out and attack things and I tell lie. I say CJ now call me, CJ now have no money, me broke and me did it and me can't pay this and me can't pay that and whatever it is. And them have it is a free information. But if them going to talk something, they must know what them talk. So don't come talk lies. Me say me hate them blood clot, you see man? Eh? The little dunce pussy old girl. Eh? The pussy old girl over there, I talk about me putting sentence for 5 years in a prison. Eh? And that's why me come out of her. And she go write headline about me hate my son. So me come out and put headline for her name. Why your daughter them hate you? Why do your 2 ugly buffalo daughter them hate you? Come do this and blood clot beat me, bitch. Come do this and beat me. Welcome, it's a free information on the website. Just like CMAR or whatever information was, whatever. I was not going to come out. The other day me get the news and me come off of the phone and me say, yes, me get one good news and me gone. But me wasn't going to say, nah. And him nung a trail CJ. In come out with it and I talk up all kind of same thing. The little dirty, stinking crotch boy. I look money. And them over there talk. So I say, no, man. Me have to come tell my people them where I go on. They want to discredit God and work. You know how much seed me so? You know how much prayer? CJ upon the prayer line. Me put CJ, remember me tell us I put CJ upon the prayer line. The 21 day fasting at King's Chapel Church. Me sow me seed from me know CJ, me a sow seed at church for CJ and Romy. Eh? So me come out, so when me hear no, them want to come whatever like, so me say, no. Me have to come out, come tell my audience they want to go on. But it's a public record. But if you see public record talk, we go so. Don't come out, come fabricate, not like fucking look all dunce, ugly, blood clot, mongrel dog woman. Come out and a chat talk and a something. Go and sentence your never ending dirty grasshole to 5 years in a prison. My pitney do something to get 5 years in a prison? Eh? Me never know someone like a misdemeanor something or whatever get him 5 years in a prison. What make you go sentence your blood clot never will thinking hole for 5 years in a prison? Eh? I wish your blood clot ugly black son get 50 years in a prison. What about that? So me not have to say nothing. They had them carry it out. I wasn't carrying out, I wasn't saying nothing. I him over there pan CJ name for hours this evening. From in a day, I think he must spend over 3-4 hours pan CJ. And then can't beat God. The dirty stinking old woman. The other day, 2 weeks ago, I go saying one CJ get 30 years behind bar. So that me come out and dash my Bible verse pan her. Because me never was gonna say nah. But true little stinking boy come out with it and dip on it a chat true God beat them. Because what them did want, they never get it. And the reason why me I show me pitting like this because them over there show him up in a prison record, in a jail clothes all the while. So me make sure me I show when him nice and clean. Him not in and me clothes there. You're bright. They want to come take credit. Them not know nothing. Over there talk about how me broke no lawyer fee, never have no lawyer fee, and I have no money, and who broke from. Are you blood clot broke? You come up here big like a blood clot dog. If me did broke, me wouldn't pay off my pussy clot gala, 4,500 for my gala, for everything when me wanted. You see me come and worry about who I come from, who not come? And after me bumble clock gala, me go and put on pussy clock vacation, bitch. And they pay for already. I leave, me not gonna leave on the 26th and go re-off for the weekend and come back Monday. And me cancel that blood clot until further notice. You understand? Because me have to go call a funeral. At this so me not go. I was leaving on my birthday. The same day, Wednesday, I was leaving and going on my birthday. And go area for the weekend and come at the 1st of March. And keep me girl up on the 8th, bitch. At that you don't know. And just because me have call a funeral. I mean I miss call a funeral. Because she was a good friend of mine. And me and her have some wonderful time over the years that I've known her. So just because me have to call a funeral, a straight, me not go for my birthday. So anybody broke your blood clot, broke come a beg like a bumbo clot dog, but you keep you throw dinner and I beg. But me a beg and me whatever you a walk a beg. You don't see you look cranny. God doctor go look after your mangy blood clot body we full of blacky bumpy a leak. You know say the germs them in your body, them a push out. My body nice and clean. All when the belly biggie belly pretty. The only black spot upon it, and the black spot when me have a gallbladder removed 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. That's the only black spot upon my body. Your body cranny. And that you go do. Go sentence your body to blood clot 40 years behind bar. Much less go sentence it in the blood clot cemetery. Dirty girl. And come off from a pitney. Go look for your ugly blood clot crusty black. Bumbo clot pitney go carry me na some, go get some sand and some quaco bush and go rub off the blackness off of him or him crusty and ugly like a you. Go away. Come now. You bumbo clot. You did them, I say my pitney now call me and chat to me. Come do this and beat me. Come do this. Come do this and beat me. Come do this and beat me. Let me play it one more time. Just 5 minutes ago. Okay, but everything is okay with you? Come do this and beat me. Huh? So what the hell I'm calling about, listen? What she called me about? Come do this and beat me. No, I called her to speak to Romy with the baby. And what's this about Rome coming back home? No, she was saying that no, she said that Romy come to New York City and spend a week. Like when you come to New York City, that she and Romy will come up for a week. Come do this and beat me. That, yeah, when Romy, when you come to New York, she will send up Romy for a week. Okay. Yeah, she wasn't talking. She wasn't talking nothing about you. Not about that. I'm not saying. No, she was just saying when you come to New York, when you get up from Carolina and come to New York City, she's gonna send Romy. And I told her I'm going to buy a tablet because Romy need a tablet. Like a little because he telling me that he was watching the brother one that using the brother, and Romy's watching TikTok with his brother. So I said, where is Romy tablet? So I said, she said that Romy didn't have one. So I said, I'm going to get him one. So I told her to send the link from Amazon for me to send it. So everything is okay? All right. So yeah, don't worry about nothing, because I just want to tell you that God is good, because I've been praying for you, and the church been praying for you. I want you to know that I pray for you and I sow seed. So God is the one that's on your side, because I sow money in church and I said pray for you. I put you on the prayer list. So I'm just telling you, just stay on the right path. You understand? Yeah. But everything is all right. Your mommy loves you. Huh? Yeah, I know. Just keep in touch and let me know. Yeah, say I love you. I call if you need any money, just call me. Okay, I love you. Okay. And pray. Okay. Stinking girl. Okay, then bye. Stinking sour girl. Stream this. Sour stinking rotten pussy old girl. Stream that. Stream that dirty slut dog. Stinking mouth, rotten parasite, blood clot, dirty body girl. Stream that. When you over there talk about my pitney, say my pitney don't call me. My pitney don't call me. My pitney I get 5 years in a prison because I can't pay money. Stream that bitch ass girl, your blood clot, dirty liar. That's all you do. Me say one of these days God go and strike out your pussy clot on your page. Look what going to happen to you. You think you get away with nothing, bitch? It's like one church decided you not go to church. Watch and see your devil blood clot worshiping bitch ass stinking war. Come off of me, pitney, and come off of me. You're too dirty if you call me name. You're cranny like. See you're cranny. Look at your yard, you're cranny just like a yard. Come off of me, pitney. You're a nice, clean boy. Say God is on him side. Say you don't get your time. Say on a blood clot lose, on the enemy lose. Me tell no say me know God me serve and God love me. Me and my pitney are one. And me care him coming to this world. And if me bless him, go and bless to cause I know today me in a church with him. Him born in a church. For the whole 9 months, me go to church with him in a belly. Me no left church. Me go halter with him in my belly. Me no left church. No weapon formed against me and my pitney shall prosper and row me. He grew up in a church. Him no miss church no Sunday. And when him get old, him tap go to church. When I around 16, about 14, 15, him no want to go to church no more. But he was involved in a church every Sunday, in a Sunday school, everything. He used to go up a great adventure every summer with the church. Me sow seed for my pitney them. Even me I sow seed for Romy before Romy born. Me sow seed for my grand pitney, my future grand pitney. Me telling you that. I've been teaching you that from a long time. And me got King's Chapel, and me have King's Chapel we put him on the 21 day fasting. We start the first, the 2nd of January. Me have a prayer, gentleman, in where call and pray with me. Big up to our Deacon Grant. And Deacon Grant pray for me and tell him say it'll be all right. Me, you know, have nobody a call a pray for you. Me have my prayer where a sign when in call me and pray for me. And check up on me. And we pray together. You understand? None of you can beat me. As long as God blood breath nice body, and none of you can beat CJ out here. God is going to cover him because we all know spiritual warfare attack him. You're crazy. You whole drunk dog. Go stream that. Me I beat you bad, dirty girl. The more you come out here and lie, and the more me I can beat you bad. The more you come out here and slander me, and the more me I can beat you bad. Wait until you get blood clot serve, bitch, kind of come. Things that me not carry a court. Think you get to that pussy clot. The only reason why you not get served it is because the lawyer me get is very, very busy. And me want to go right in the office, come sit down and carry everything. You think I want idiot lawyer me I get? You will know which lawyer me I get. I guarantee you know him. You probably know him. And him the blood clot black, them look half white. Right up in a blood clot there. You get it. So things say me a ramp. Things say me a ramp. You will see him. You will see him. I know saying a body for ramp with. Highly come recommended. Highly come recommended for one of my dignitary friend in my yard. Highly recommended. Him the blood clot cheap at $45,000 just to talk to him. $45,000 just to talk to him. To see if a case must go to Supreme Court or go to regular court. 45,000, so you know say. Just to talk to him to see if a court word if he got a courthouse. So you should know say him no blood clot cheap and him no play him busy in her ass. 5 days a week him there between Supreme Court and regular court. Busy when me talk to him this morning. Me tell him say no what just set there. Me want make sure say him see everything. Me don't want to say as soon as me bumbo clot birthday over, I fly out. Me just a wait. As soon as my birthday I fly out. Nobody know when me I go. Because me can't just start that. Nobody know me I go. So things say, you over there talk about me can't carry a court. Well, him a big blood clot liar and him tell me say enough evidence there for carry you. So you soon have to call my name. Me not ask you. So regardless of what come out of it, at the end of the day, you can't stream one blood clot for me. So your money soon done. Your money soon over. Look when you stop talk about me and see your blood clot or your something there. And you make sure tell them say you can't call, make nobody call in show up on me and talk about me. Else your ass you're going to get about it too. Me I come make sure tell the liar said you have calling show where you have people call a slaughter me. Me I make sure that put that in the courthouse to make a judge make make nobody calling for your show and you get your ass in a trouble. You go on like say you want to come talk about other people pitney. Go talk about yours. You love to come up here come push up CJ in jail clothes. Me I come push up my pitney when him nice and I know in no clothes. Me I go push up my nice boy. Your boy ugly. Your damn boy black and ugly. Black and ugly. Go talk about that. Go talk about that. With your black and ugly pitney, go talk about that. Go and talk about that. Hold on the people. Go talk about the blood clot, big ugly belly the way you have. And that the pussy clot belly if you go in a prison for 5 years. Go talk about that. Go talk about that. Yeah. Go talk about that big bang belly there and an ugly face, the tough face, look like a blood clot chimpanzee. Go and talk about that. Go and talk about that belly. When need for go in a one pregnant ward. You have baby until now, you can't have baby yet. Go and talk on your maga. Go and talk about that pregnant belly where full of dopey oil and dopey sperm. The amount of hood where you take. Go and talk about that. Why making you go talk about that? Dirty girl. See you, yeah? This is Erica, the landlord, the woman who is talking about my son. This is the stalker that has been a stalking me. This is the scammer and the thief that has been thieving my money off of YouTube for the past 3 years now. This thief right here, making over $4 to $5 million from me on YouTube per year. See the thief right here, so for you look upon her, she said thief. Every thief she thief, my video belly get bigger. See it right here, so? This right here, so. Look at this, look at this, look a mongrel. Look here. Look upon her. Look upon her. This is the somebody right here, so we're talking about me. Calling me, say me look here, so. Look at this person. Look at this person compared to me and talking about me every day. Look at that. Look at this little ugly serpent. Look there. You tell me. You can't talk about me? That's so you can see the reason why she obsessed with me. With my beauty and my skin and my face. You can see. You can see the reason why. Yes, my dear. Me would have obsessed with me too. Me that obsessed with me. You can look and see. Look. Me don't want nobody obsessed with me. See him black ugly Sunday? See our black ugly Sunday? Look here. Come on. See him black ugly Sunday? See him black ugly Sunday look just like just look like in demon mama. See him black ugly son right there. Look there. Look upon him black. So that's why you're obsessed with my one. Me not blame if you're obsessed with my nice boy. Look when you look